Hello, my name is Dan Lebrecq. In this demo, I'm going to provide a brief look at the Sun Java Web Console. The console was created to provide a single sign-on and common access point for all system management applications at Sun. There were two major versions in the project's history. The first iteration used Sun's proprietary MVC framework known as Jado. The second iteration, shown here, is based on Java server faces. The login uses RBAC, a role-based access control, to assign user roles. If one or more roles have been defined, I would be presented with a second login and with the option to choose a role. For this example, I'm using my LDAP username and without roles. Now if you look at the top up here, you'll see there are several buttons up here. First one's version. We happen to be using version 3.1 of the console. There's a logout, and there's context help. Context help allows users to learn a little bit about the Sun Java Web Console. They can also perform a search. For example, I'm going to search on RBAC. And there's also an index feature. Now the applications shown in this page are registered with the console, and they get to define which category to be listed under. They also define the roles necessary to run each application. So if I click on one of these tag library example applications, this will launch the application in the same window. There's also an option to launch it in a different window. So this is the according example from the Woodstock components. If I want to navigate back to the console, I first need to go back to my application. And in the main application window, I'm going to click on the Applications button to return to the Applications page. Now if I click on ZFS Administration, it's going to launch another app in the same window. However, I don't have any roles, and I shouldn't be able to access any of the functionality here. For example, if I try to create a storage pool, I get a pop-up window saying that this action can only be invoked by an authorized user. And I don't have the roles necessary, so I'm not an authorized user. However, I can look at the help system, and I can find out a little bit more about ZFS and perhaps what I need to do to define my roles. So again, I'm going to navigate back to the applications page. And finally, I'm going to log out, which is available in every application, including the console itself. So this concludes my demo for the Sun Java Web Console. Thank you.